Hello everyone, my name is Isis and I am the goddess of alchemy and a high priestess with over 26 years experience in biochemical research, naturopathy, energy healing, aromatherapy, and ancient perfumery. I hold master's and doctorate's degrees in 3 separate fields and over 24 master healing certifications. I'm personally very excited to introduce you to my new company, Alchemist Co, a bioenergized, intention-based apothecary. We specialize in powerful personal healing products, ranging from herbal teas, personal care products, to physical, mental, and emotional healing essential oil blends, ritual oils, and transformational perfumes that are based on some very ancient recipes, some of which are over 5,000 years old. If you are someone who's looking for a way to live your very best life and create lasting transformations, then you're here in the right place, and I'm so excited to welcome you here. Now, I started Alchemist Co because I truly wanted to help you manifest your very best life by uniting the powers of ancient alchemy with the latest in science-based bioenergetics and harmonic polarization. Now, my proprietary bioenergizing process for my products contains over 300 gemstones with specific harmonic healing frequencies that I've researched, exquisite aromatherapy, and certified organic healing ingredients to give you the very most powerful healing transformations possible. Now, when you use our products, I believe you're going to start to feel a sense of power, calmness, awareness, and a deep healing that you've never experienced before. Our certified bioenergetic organic blends are carefully handcrafted in very small batches to not only smell amazing, but to also provide those deep therapeutic benefits to your mind, body, and spirit that you may have been missing before. And our aromatic perfumes are carefully potentized to help you feel deeply in alignment with yourself so that you can exude that confidence, charisma, and feel so empowered throughout your day. But I don't want you to take my word for it. I'd like to give you a couple of recent emails from my most beloved customers. Now, Joseph, he said that he's been using Alchemist Co products for a few months now, and it's made a huge difference in his life. He said that I used to have chronic pain and I was stressed out all the time. And now I feel amazing, pain-free, deeply relaxed, and super energized. I never would have believed it. And Amy just emailed me last week. She wanted to let me know that she was very skeptical about using any perfume due to her allergies. She said, but after trying Alchemist Co's perfumes, I'm hooked. I feel like I can take on anything when I wear Alchemist Co. I'm addicted to your scents. I get endless compliments and I feel like I'm wearing a secret protective energy field every time I put one of your body sprays on. So if you're ready to take your healing adventure to the next level, head on over to alchemystco.com and check out our products. I believe that your mind, body, and spirit will thank you.